it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Portuguese Vinha D'Alhos. Here are the following ingredients. First, make the marinade by combining the following ingredients in a bowl. Red wine vinegar, water, chili pepper, garlic, Hawaiian salt, allspice, and bay leaves. Mix it well. In a gallon-sized Ziploc, add the pork. Cut the pork into about 1-inch cubes. You can cut it into larger pieces if you desire. The meat will shrink when cooked. Remember to set the Ziploc bag on top of a plate in case any of the liquids leak. Add the marinade to the bag. Tightly seal the bag and slightly massage it to make sure the marinade covers all of the meat. Let it marinate in the fridge for up to 3 days. After 3 days, heat up a large pot over medium heat and add all of the contents in the Ziploc to the pot. Bring it to a boil and then turn down the heat to a simmer. Let it simmer until all of the liquids have evaporated, about an hour and 20 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat after the liquids have evaporated. Fry the meat on a non-stick skillet until all sides have turned crispy. It'll cook pretty fast for each side, so about 30 seconds to a minute. Remove from the pan and serve with rice or sweet Portuguese bread, and enjoy this onolicious Vinha D'Alhos. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!